Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to customize built-in screen record on your phone. Is that your Infinix, your Samsung, any Android phone? Let's get started. Now, to locate your screen record, you're going to just use your left hand, your left side of your phone. Just swipe it down like this, and you're going to find your screen record. And this is it here. This is it here. So what you're going to do is just double tap on it, and it's going to bring you to the interface of the screen record settings. Now we can just customize it. You want to record a sound, you can show touches on screen, you can see. So this is how you do everything. You record the microphone sound and everything. You can just customize it. It's very easy. You want to off it, you want to on it, it is easy to do it there. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and subscribe.